So we're here at the UW School of Aquatic and Fishery Sciences Open House, and it is such a lovely day to see everyone out here and exploring aquatic sciences in every way, shape, and form. And I'm so excited that I got to help plan it, and I'm here to enjoy it, and I hope everyone has a great time.
This is a wonderful opportunity to kind of open the doors to the public so they can come in and see the type of research and science that we do here at the University of Washington. It really opens minds as well, just about how accessible many of these plants and animals, people can see them in local streams, mountain headwaters, all the way on the coastal system. So it's an opportunity for people to not only learn about the wonders of natural wildlife, but also the opportunities in which they can take themselves and their kids to explore these out in the natural world.
We're having a fun time.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. We just did the quiz over there. Yeah.
We got kind of a know-it-all.
Yeah, this is fun.
I'm always amazed at the diversity of folks who are coming in from different backgrounds, coming in from different places. We've had folks just notice the chalk on the sidewalk and walk in. We've had other people who have seen this and been looking forward to it since we started the promotions on the internet. I think one of my favorite parts is actually the fact that it brings even the volunteers together. Some of us in the different departments across campus struggle to even connect over things that aren't shared. And so something like an Aquatic Sciences Open House that brings together oceanography and fisheries and even the statisticians in Quorum is a really good opportunity for us to meet and get to know each other and have this shared experience of sharing our science with people, whether they're general public or they're previous UW alum who are dropping by again. And it really seems like it's doing a fantastic job of making everyone kind of come together and really start to appreciate what we have to offer here.
I think the science is pretty phenomenal that's occurring here at the university. Graduate students and faculty are just trying to unravel many of the natural histories of the natural world, think about ways in which we can protect the organisms in which we depend upon, and really think about ways in which we can ensure that these organisms survive both today and for future generations.
The favorite fish?
Honestly, right now, the spotted ratfish, the male version, the one that's the really big red one over there, just like
I agree with you.
right here.